We are going to make an aerofoil. So we select a sketch and we are going to select parallel plane of to this one. Okay, now draw a circle. Draw a circle. Now we have to draw a line here and this one. Now we use trim method is trim this one. Okay, now return. Finish. Now again we have to use a sketch in this plane. So draw another circle and select a line. Select line from this one. Select a line from this one up to this one. Okay, now use trim method is trim this one also. Okay, and return. Now again we have to use another profile. Finish. Again sketch at this plane. Add return. We should take a parallel plane. Sketch and parallel plane to this one. How much? 1000. Enter. Now we use the command include. Okay, include this one and this one, and offset should be 10. It's already, and this one internally accept and enter. Okay, return. Zoom out so you can see it. Finish. Now use a command of loft protrusion and select this one and this one. Preview. Okay, you can again use this one also. Finish. You can again load command, select this one and this one. Preview so you can see it. Finish. Okay, we are going to format, or we can use it another. Finish. Cancel. Now we are going to mirror this one. So mirror this one and this one. Accept parallel plane to which one? This one. It should be front, right, fix. Okay, so again go to which one? Mirror command. Mirror this one and this one. Accept plane, parallel plane to this one. Okay, finish. Go to mirror this one and this one. Parallel plane to this one. Cannot pattern is it about okay. We are going to use mirror command, so mirror this one and this one. Select which plane? Parallel plane to this one. Okay, so now you can see it. Finish. finish. Now you have to draw another body at the center of this one. So we go to a simple protrusion. Okay, and now we should to take it front, not front, right, return. We should to take protrusion at right face. Okay, zoom out, zoom in. Now first we have to draw a line at the center. So okay, up to this one. Escape. Now draw a circle. And select, delete this one and return. Now non-symmetric protrusion. So okay, finish. You can see it. Okay, now we should to take a revolve protrusion. So go to cancel. Now go to revolve protrusion and take plane parallel to right, or we should rotate it parallel plane to this one at the center of this one. Okay, now return. It should be at front. Oi, again simple protrusion, take a plane parallel to this one, parallel plane right, front at the center of this one, and zoom out. Okay, select this one. Okay, now draw a line at the center of this one and join to this one. Okay, now go to axis of revolution should be this one and return. Should be 360. Okay, you can see there is some mistake here. So again go to finish and take revolve protrusion to front plane, return. We should take a parallel plane first, revolve protrusion and go to parallel plane to this one at the center of the body. We should take a front plane, not front, right, not right, top, ISO, zoom out. It should be at the center of this one. Cancel, revolve protrusion, take a parallel plane to this one. Okay, now we should draw a line. join to this one. Now go to return. Axis of revolution should be this one. Return. It should be 360. So we can select this one. Okay, now you can see it. Finish. Now we are going to format part printer. Go to yellow, this one, okay, and go to red to feature, this one, okay. Now we are going to make the tail of this one. So for this we are going to sample protrusion, give a parallel plane to which one? Parallel plane to this one front at the center of this one. Okay. Zoom out and move this one. Okay, draw from here. Okay, again this one, this one, this one, and this one. Okay, we can see that where is it made. Okay, return. It should be symmetric. Symmetric, how much? It should be of this much. Okay, it's enough. Finish. So you can see it. Aerophile is made. Okay. Thank you.